Hello, hello, hello. I wanted to share with you a quick haul. I kind of splurged a little bit. Scrapbook.com. And the reason why I splurged a little bit was because of this guy. This is the embossing and die cut machine, the Platinum Scout, and it fits on your desk. So I wanted that and I got it. This is the size of the plate. So I got the magic mat that went along with that. I also got new plates and I guess I got 2 magic mats. Let's double check that. I only wanted 1. And I wanted the magnetic magic mat. Did I get the magnetic one? There's the magnetic magic mat. So I wanted the magnetic magic. I think this was a set for my Big Shot Plus. What is it called? The Big Shot Holtz Plus. This was free. This is what I got for free, and it's a little balloon, and I thought it was really cute. So we got a free die. Always look through the coupons. I got this stamp chamois, and my first thought was it's the same as like a blue towel, but I wanted to see for myself. So it comes in this reusable bag, and they say you dampen it and you use it, and then you let it dry and you put it back in your reusable bag. And it's kind of, oh, it's cold first. First thing I noticed is it's cold. And it's kind of foamy. So that's interesting. I don't think I need, and I got the pink one. I don't think I need this. Do I need this? I'll leave that in there for now. I don't know if I need it or not. But yeah, it's called a stamp cleaning chamois. And it's not like a blue towel. It's something different. So that's neat. And we seal it back up. And then I have been dying to get my hands on some Doodlebug collections, so I did it. And I didn't get a lot. Let me put this aside. I got the 6x6 Sweet and Spooky, and this is last year's collection. I'm sure everybody's already seen it. But I haven't seen it in person, so I want to see it. I love the black purples. I like the blacks and the pastels. I think it's wonderful. Pinks, the yellows, the pastel orange, love it. Cute little cut parts, titles. Can't wait to do an entire 6x6 card making video with these. Those are cute. I have seen some really cute Doodlebug things lately. Pink borders. I love the houses. Purples. Kind of showed you that already. Nice green. Plaid. Super cute. Orange with a black dot. Some more tags. Wonderful. So that is the paper pad. I got the odds and ends, which is tons and tons. There's some acetate in there. And then it looks like what could be, well, it's 194 pieces. Like they cut it out of like 3 12x12 sheets, but super cute. And then couldn't resist the little enamel spiders. Then from Paper Rose, And I got this from, I got this collection from ASC Supplies, but I just got the 6x6. So I'm going to pull that out. I got the 6x6 pink Halloween. I had already flipped through that. So I seen that Scrapbook.com had the 12x12. So I grabbed the 12x12. I love the colors. I know, Halloween already, right? And this is 2 sheets of 12 designs, 12 double-sided papers. So, let's see. It would make a really cute album, but I want to make cards. I think I want to make cards, but it would make a super cute little album too. We can use the cover sheet for either sentiments or the tags on the back. Of course, there's an entire sheet of tags. Love this house. Polka dots. Love the candy, the pink and black, that stripe. Watercolor stripe, not my favorite, but these are so cute. And then we have these little border strips. This watercolor, I don't mind. I like that one. Ghosties with books. Cute. And these guys are so cute. Check them out. And then that is the watercolor in the back. I like that one. Okay, so that is, and there's 2 of each, so we can go through it again. That is that. And then I got 2 packs of the embossed die cuts. They're both the same. And in the embossed die cuts, these do not need cut, and they have, so they're already cut, they're punched, you just punch them out, and they have this really cool, see, there it is, the embossed, kind of shiny. So there's one. I love that little mummy. Candies and buckets of candies. We got the little Dracula and the kitty. This is going to be a hard decision. I love that house. Hard decision, you guys. An album of sorts or cards. I don't know. And then I got the Paper Rose black and white sentiment sheet. And it just has general sentiments, white on black and black on white. Thank you, dear friend. You mean the world to me. Love your smile. Your smile brightens up my day. And you just cut them apart in little rectangles. So there's 6 sheets of those, and then there's some bigger, like, squares. And so that's it. If you want to see me open my little platinum big shot guy here, I can do that too. Let's go ahead and open him. If you don't want to watch me open it, let's say you already have one. Thanks for watching so far. And I hope you enjoyed my Scrapbook.com haul. Okay, so there's different bundles you can get with this. This one was called the Spellbinders Platinum Scout Die Cutting Machine White Slim Magic Matte Bundle. So it came, the Magic Matte came with it. That was part of the bundle. Let me get that back out. So you gotta pay attention to which one you get. So the Magic Matte came with it, and the Magic Matte has tips on the back, so don't forget to read it. Comes with your instructions, what kind of plates you use, all that stuff. Comes with your normal plates, some tools. Let's look at the plates and the goodies here. Okay, we have a floral embossing folder, which is kind of neat because it has these vines that go all the way up it. I don't mind that. We have a best wishes with a bunch of flowers, and then I'm assuming you put these in, those are part of the flowers. We have the platform A, 2 cutting plate C's. Ooh, is that 2? Yep, 2 cutting plate C's. A D, an adapter plate, and then an F, which is a shim. Thank you for purchasing. We cannot wait to see what you create. Register your machine and receive $5 coupon towards your next Spellbinder Paper Art.com order. Here's the machine. What we've all been waiting on. Okay, so this guy probably, no, he doesn't go down to the table, but that's okay. I don't see right off the cuff, oops, I don't see any reason to use this right now, so we're going to put it in the top drawer, the junk drawer per se. I have scraps. Let's make some stuff. Okay, I happen to have some green scraps and some orange scraps and some purple scraps. Ooh, I'm dropping stuff. Okay. Scraps. I have scraps. Always have scraps, right? Like right there. This is what I made. Took me a little longer because I didn't have all my tools out, but I like it. I think it's cool. Don't need these. I decided to do it out of a different color. We used some scraps up, huh? I think it's awesome. Alright, so that's the rest of my, I wanted to share that with you in case you wanted to see the unboxing and use it for a minute. And the mint tape was excellent. I think because I am a freak, I'm going to go ahead and put this mint tape back on here. Get the little pieces of stuff off my magic mat. And find all my dies and stuff. Okay, well that was cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. And we shall see you next time, and we'll do some really cool stuff with this. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.